A lot of players hear Web3 or play to earn and immediately think, can I actually earn from this game? But in Dungeon Cross Relic Hunter, the system is a bit different than what most people expect. So in this video, I'll break down the tokenomics in a simple way and show you how the system actually works behind the scene. So let's start with the most important part. Dungeon Cross is connected to something called the Cross ecosystem. What that means is, the game isn't just about farming items or gold. Instead, your gameplay is connected to a bigger system where rewards can go beyond the game itself. But here's the key thing most players misunderstand. You don't earn tokens directly. So what are you actually earning? Inside the game, what you really farm are crystals. You'll see things like blue crystals, pink crystals, and rainbow crystals. These are earned through normal gameplay like grinding mobs, clearing dungeons, and doing activities. So even if you're just playing normally, you're already part of the system. Think of these crystals as your first layer of rewards. Now here's where it becomes interesting. These crystals can be converted into tokens within the Cross ecosystem. And this is what turns the game into a play-to-earn system. So instead of rewards staying inside the game, they can move into a broader platform. That's the main idea behind the tokenomics. But what can you actually do with those tokens? Once converted, tokens can be used in different parts of the ecosystem. Things like buying items, joining events, or using features like cross-shop and cross-wave. There's also a wallet system where your tokens are stored. So your progress is no longer just tied to your character, it connects to the ecosystem itself. Now here's the honest part. Even though it is called play to earn, your actual earnings depend on the game's activity and the game's ecosystem. So it's not just about playing, it's about how the system grows over time. But overall, the idea is simple. Play the game, earn resources, and connect those rewards into something bigger. If this helped you understand the system, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.